Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Riptide Shorties Sew Along. I'm so excited to jump into this pattern. It's going to be super fun. What I have done is I have separated the pattern into 5 different sections so that each day this week we can tackle one thing at a time. So what's happening this week? Well, day 1 we are printing and we are cutting out our pattern and our fabric. For day 2, where we will work on the main panels of our shorties. Day 3 we'll tackle the gusset. Day 4 we will finish that drawstring, and day 5 it's waistband. This isn't a hard pattern to make, but it sure is fun to have someone sew along with you. So I'm glad you're here, and I am ready for a fun Riptide Shorty sew along.